Hey everybody, it's Chris from Paris Lost. Getting ready to go on a road trip. We're gonna go pick up our dog Sam, who's been in Japan for past couple months. We weren't able to bring him over, and yeah, we're just gonna head over there. Right now we're in Illinois, we're heading over to Texas. So, not really sure where this video is gonna go, but I did want to show you guys our trip and see if you like it, you know? So, let me show you what we got planned right now. Okay, I'm gonna move the camera. Don't get nauseous for you nauseous people. So, this is what we're bringing. All this stuff here. So we have another dog. That's her carrier. Her name's Patricia. Not the carrier, the dog. And this is all her stuff. We have the wife's clothes, Rio's clothes, the other sloth and Paris sloths. These are my things. Just essentials. Underwears and pants and such. We don't know really the temperature what's going to be in Texas. This is some more. This is a cat backpack, which Patricia, the smaller pug, can fit in. And some more of Rio stuff. Rio's got like a little stuffed animal there, and she's going to school, so she's got her laptop so she can do some homework. Yeah, so let's get going. So here we are. We just got all our stuff, and we're about to go. Look, we got all of our stuff here. Patricia's in the back. We should be ready to go. Get some gas and some windshield wiper fluid. But then other than that, we should be good to go. You might not even be able to see her. It's kind of dark in here. You can barely see her, but she's in there. Off we go. Being one of the Paris sloths, we don't usually prepare for a lot of this type of stuff. We're not really sure how far we're going to get today. It's supposed to be about a 14-hour trip. It's definitely going to be an interesting trip. Get that song stuck in my head. Sweet Caroline. Okay. Off we go again. There's the garbage right over there.
Can you get... No. I get it. I get the I was just trying to sit down. Oh, thanks for moving it. It's so nice. Great as everyone says it is, but it's good.
Which is something to be said.
But like, oh, girl! No.
Oh, jeez. Well, it's day 2 of our road trip. Pretty tired. We stopped last night around 10 o'clock in entering Oklahoma, so that was fun. It was about 30 degrees. It still kind of is, just above freezing. There's still frost on the ground, and wouldn't usually be a big deal, but we have to walk her, so she likes to take her time. Although today she kind of sped up a little bit. I think she's cold too. So the plan today, keep going. We're not in any rush. We have plenty of time to get there, so we might see some cool things on the way. We'll see. Walmart. Well, for you people watching, it's gonna be easy. All you have to do is continue watching. For us, we're gonna call it no more recording for today. So see you. Here we are, day 3, and now we just found out that our friend who's bringing Sam is delayed. So, and he's gonna be delayed for 24 hours. So now we have to figure out what to do. So that's gonna be our day. So we just got into Texas. The sun's going down. Yeah, that's all we saw an armadillo earlier, and it almost attacked Rio. That was kind of funny. But yeah, that's how the day went. You had to pick one part so far. What were your favorite parts?
Wichita, and then the
Wichita. Oh, man.
Well, we didn't get to see bison, but I
We
got
did
to
not
see
get to see any
armadillo.
bison.
The lights on.
That sun looks super cool.
It looks like the Lion King.
Yeah. Yeah, it's going down. It was a lot more spectacular before. But it's still really nice. Still really nice.
I went to Lubbock. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, you can see where it died!
Oh yeah. Did it crack the window?
No, it's just dirty now. Oh! Oh, look, I cracked the
So we got Sam. We're heading back east on Route 66. Hey, it's Chris here. So here's what ended up happening. We ended up not recording anymore. So what I'm going to do is, we did take some pictures. So I'm going to go over them very quickly. These pictures here are from Wichita. We saw some groundhogs, which are pretty cool. At some point, either going to Texas or leaving Texas, we saw this marker in Oklahoma. It was a road marker, so we stopped. Apparently it was the last original paved road of Route 66. It was pretty neat. We also saw these Texas Longhorns. Here's Rio and Patricia. We stopped by I think it was a ranch, and there was just a nice view. This is also in Wichita. Here's that armadillo that almost attacked Rio. When we were in Texas, we had to stop and wait for our friend to arrive. While we were there, we went to a museum. They happened to have this really cool Jeep. We also visited the Buddy Holly Museum. On the way back, I remember we said we were going down Route 66. Well, this is one of the Conoco, very famous for its time. They had original parts and cash registers. And this is me over at the gas station. It felt super weird to put my car there and pretend to take up gas, but I can imagine how many people actually did it throughout the years. And right at the end, we visited family. That's my sister. And then we headed back. That was our entire trip. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any questions about what we did, feel free to ask away in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel, Parasloths. Have a good one. Bye.